Thank you. Great job. Thanks, you guys. I want to thank my guests, Jennifer Love Hewitt, Jay Baruchel, and of course, Nikki and Rich. Tomorrow night, Tracy Morgan and Drew Bees will be here. Stay tuned for Jimmy Fallon coming up next.